in order to get started, we suggest that you press this pedal, release the clamps, and then remove the air from the plate mounter. In this way, our clamping dogs are outside and the clamps are outward. Now we take our plate cylinder and put it on the carriage. We will mark a reference position for locating the center of the cylinder, which in this case is 190, and this 190 should align to my zero position over here, so I know that I am in the middle. Once I'm in the middle, I lock these handles After we have achieved the center, we simply remove and we again pressurize the air, bring it to about 2 bar, and now our clamping system is working perfectly. Out, in, release the foot, and the cylinder is locked in position. As you can see, we are here in the center of the plate mounter. By pressing down, I will lose the focus, but if I keep this button up, pressed continuously, I will work in autofocus and the motor will stop exactly when I am on the correct focus. I can go down again, I can come up, but I cannot go beyond this. I can go beyond this by doing the safety override. I can press and then simultaneously press the up button and I can continue to go up. But be careful, you could damage a lot of things by doing this. So, my suggestion is to always stay in auto and always ensure that there is a plate cylinder on the machine. If the plate cylinder is not on the machine and you press the up button, again you are likely to damage something. We have 2 vertical lines and 1 horizontal line. These lines are movable and we can use the left and right to move the line left, and we use this to move the line right side. By pressing this mid-center button once, I can toggle between the left and the right sidebar. Now I can move the right one. Now again the left one. And by pressing this continuously for 2 seconds, the light goes away and now I can move my horizontal bar up and down. You will now see that I am bringing my center line to position, and here we have a pin locking system which ensures that the cylinder meets with its reference position always in the center. So we have locked this in position, and now I can move my reference point to the middle of the cylinder. This is only to be done once, not repeated always, because once you have done your calculation, you don't need to go again and again to do this setup. Of course, you press again for more than 2 seconds and you have the left and right sidebar. So these we will need to adjust when we are mounting a plate. Now we're going to place the tester tape on the tape dispenser. This tape dispenser can be opened by loosening these screws. Simply open. Move the tape to the middle position and tighten the guide plates. Now we will mount the tape. We use the scales here as a reference. I am almost in the middle of the cylinder, and I will turn now the laser line and make a course registration on the register marks and clamp the plate. Following this, I will lock my cylinder, which is the reference pin which goes on the machine. And now I will bring the two cameras inside and turn on my lights. And I will make a focus. Now you can see that I am quite off center, and I can use these micrometric switches, and here we go, perfect alignment. My reference point, I always want to be at my reference point, and I will also adjust my register marks so that they're even on both sides. I will lock both cameras. I have locked both the cameras in position. I will bring my vertical line to my reference position This will be my reference position for all the future plates that I'm mounting, whether it's a 6 color job, or 8 color, 10 color job. Now I will not change the sidebar settings. This will remain common for all the plates that I will mount during this session. I will now remove the release. Open the locking device. Hold my plate. Bring the cylinder back in position and lock it in position. And now simply drop the plate and we will now release, and the plate is now mounted. Now for the next set of plates, I will mount this plate once and show you how we will mount the other color in true position. Once again, put back the release liner. Lock my plate in position. I'm remounting this plate now, and now you will see how easy it is to mount this plate again. I simply lock this plate in position, make my micrometric adjustment, and now you can see my reference point has moved. And to bring this in the true position, I simply rotate my side adjustment, and here I am back in the true position where I should be. This is my reference point, and now I will remove the tape once more. Sorry. I again lock the position and simply lay down my plate, and I am good to go.